epic lift landing. It's lift tour time. Now to the first lift, which is an awesome 1950s Evans. Yes! This is a totally awesome lift, completely original, although sadly the outside buttons have been replaced, but everything else is original. The inside buttons completely original, and above the inside buttons there's this really unusual Evans orange panel, which I believe used to light up to say if there's a call outside of a lift. Really unusual, never seen anything like this before. And this lift is single speed, but when it stops that floor, it sort of stops like single speed, but then it goes really slowly to line up in position with the floor. And this lift is having some rather weird logic problems. It keeps shooting off to a floor at random. I didn't press it to go out floor. No one's called it at that floor, but we'll say it's got a bit wrong with the logic, maybe found relay or short circuit or something. Hopefully I'll get this fixed, as this lift is totally awesome. Let's ride it.
It's an awesome 1950s Evans lift. This lift looks completely awesome and single speed.
And now along to the next lift, which is an epic 1960s Pickerings. Yes! This is a totally awesome lift. And inside this lift, there's this really weird door locking panel, which is something I've never seen before. I'm guessing this lift was probably originally like a simple door interlock system where it unlocks and locks the doors as it goes past, as it doesn't have a retracting door locking cam. And the safety circuit just activates when the door's in the right place, meaning if you pull the door when the lift's moving, the lift will stop. And these old style interlocks are not that good because it doesn't actually verify that the door is actually locked, which has caused some problems. And these older locks have all been replaced with more interlock with the retracting door unlocking cam. And when I did this to this lift, I did this weird door unlocking panel, which I've never seen before. It's really odd. It's got two buttons on it, which don't appear to do anything. Anyway, let's ride this awesome lift.
It's an epic 1960s Pickering's lift, and this lift looks really awesome, but it has a really weird door locking panel.
Along to the next lift, which is the oldest lift and the one in best condition, and it is an awesome 1930s Evans. Yes, this is a totally epic lift, and it runs like it's brand new. It's in absolutely perfect condition, ever so well maintained, and it still has its original buttons. Let's ride this lift.
It's the awesome 1930s Evans lift. This is the oldest lift and in the best condition.